Yeah, today is still the 7th of March. This is my new high-tech thermostat for my new HVAC system. It's a smart thermostat, and you can operate it from your phone if you so desire. Comfortmaker air handler, gas heat, and 5-ton A coil. It's got sensors everywhere. These things are insanely technologically advanced now. I still have a round tube coil, but it's aluminum tube instead of copper. You can't hardly get a copper tube coil anymore. They did a real nice job on the install. There's something rather comical. Let me show you. A lot of people don't realize there's just a few manufacturers of units, and probably 80% of them are all made in the same factory. They just changed the label. This system is made by Daikin down they're west of Houston now. Huge facility. This is the 5-ton system, the condensing side, Comfortmaker or Bryant. That's kind of funny. Again, they're all made in the same factory. This is an inverter. Everything is DC. It has 8 stages of cooling, and we'll switch off and go to dehumidification only. And it has a 19 SEER rating, and it's so large I did not put one of my Add-A-Cool systems on it. There would be no gain. You get over 16 SEER, unless you're in a crazy hot environment, the Add-A-Cool does not provide any real benefit, so I just left it bare. I have a patent on that. And super quiet, especially when it's in dehumidification mode. You can't hardly hear anything run, but it is running. And $13,575, and I'm still not done writing checks. I'm waiting for another company to come in and do a duct cleaning and antimicrobial treatment, and they're also going to change all of the air diffusers inside the house, every single one of them, install new. I've tried to clean those things in the past, and the paint comes off, the weather stripping disintegrates, and they're dirt cheap, and man's got to pull them to clean the ductwork, the crew. As I tell you what, let's just install brand new ones and call her done. That'll be another $1,000, $1,200, but then my system is completely upgraded. And I rarely look forward to bills, but I am looking forward to an electric bill when it starts getting actually hot. And see what that 19 SEER is going to do for me. Nice thing is, with that 8-stage cooling, on an 85-degree day, the compressor's barely even running, and it doesn't really kick into full capacity until you hit 95 degrees with high humidity, and above that it's 100% capacity. So neat technology. Spitting rain right now. Going to rain again tonight, rain again tomorrow, and poor old yard's looking like crap. I'll try to bring it back, and I got to spread out insecticide next. Try to kill the grubs. If you kill the grubs, the moles usually leave. But I had a thought, and I'm going to make a device that should eradicate them, hopefully. So, just kind of plugging along. Was a pretty day till late this afternoon, then the clouds rolled in, and kind of sucky now, but it'll change. It always does. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.